Come test drive the 2010 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, universal garage door opener, center armrest, AM/FM CD MP3 radio. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.